Example: a retailer wishes to buy a number of transistor radio sets of types A and B. Type A cost Rs 360 each and type B cost Rs 240 each. The retailer knows that he cannot sell more than 20 sets, so he does not want to buy more than 20 sets and he cannot afford to pay more than Rs 5,760. His expectation is that he would get a profit of Rs 50 for each set of type A and Rs 40 for each set of type B. Formulate the problem as a linear programming problem to get the maximum profit. Solution: suppose the retailer purchase X1 sets of type A and X2 sets of type B. Since the number of sets of each type is non-negative, so we have X1 is greater than or equal to 0, mark it as 1. X2 is greater than or equal to 0, mark it as 2. Also, the cost of X1 sets of type A and X2 sets of type B is 360 X1 plus 240 X2, and it should be equal to or less than Rs 5,760. That is, 360 X1 plus 240 X2 is smaller than or equal to 5,760. Or 3x1 plus 2x2 is smaller than or equal to 48. Mark it as 3. Further, the number of sets of both types should not exceed 20, so x1 plus x2 is either smaller than or equal to 20. Mark it as 4. Since the total profit consists of profit derived from selling the X1 type A sets and X2 type B sets, therefore the retailer earns the profit of Rs 50 X1 on type A sets and Rs 40 X2 on type B sets. So the total profit is given by Z equals 50 X1 plus 40 X2. Mark it as 5. Hence, the mathematical formulation of the given linear programming problem is as follows. Maximize Z equals 50x1 plus 40x2. Subject to the conditions, 3x1 plus 2x2 is smaller than or equal to 48. x1 plus x2 is smaller than or equal to 20. x1 is greater than or equal to 0. x2 is greater than or equal to 0.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.